look fine, love.
Thank you.
We thought that it would be an appropriate and good time to show you our van, since we've never done a van build yet. I finished. I'll start again.
Put your teeth in.
We thought it was about time that we'd show you the completed van. Because, sorry, I'm just messing about with this. Whoop. Obviously the van has been built for a bit, and this is our first time away now, so we've come to Quirky Campers, and we're on a site at the moment called
Covert Farm.
Covert Farm.
We're about 20 mile away from Camp Quirky.
We are, yes, so it shouldn't take us that long to get there, so we just thought we'd take this opportunity to show you the van. So, without further ado, I'll show you around.
Just give you a little tour, love.
A little tour of our little home on wheels. Master control panel. Obviously this is for the Truma heating. That's for the extractor in the shower. We've got our entertainment system, and all these switches are for different things. That's for the gas, the water, and that is for the Truma to switch the master on and off. At the moment we've got the max fan open. Got a charging cupboard for all the electronic devices. So that's where I charge all my devices. We've got a wardrobe. The bottom one has just got my drone in and some camera equipment. And up here we've got storage for... Is that wine in this cupboard?
Hey, that's my stash.
See, that's what I have to put up with. Hiding wine in the cupboards. is our van Beejay. She's finished. Well, she's finished for now anyway. No doubt I'll find something else to do at it. But there you go. Better turn this fan off and shut the... We don't want to be driving with that open, do we? The wind will rip it off. Right, lover.
Alright, love?
Yeah? You like this, don't you?
Yes. I love it. Absolutely love it. Making memories, love.
So I'll catch up with you again soon. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll still keep putting the van build videos up, and we'll show you how we got to this.